everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, hit subscribe for more videos. And it's a new day, it's a new video, it's a new tutorial for you. And for today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to make crochet cups for all sizes. And we will be needing a category 3 yarn. The color of my yarn is Almond Kernel, a 4mm hook, a tailor scissors, tapestry needle, and a tape measure. So if you are interested, guys, keep on watching and let's get started. Before we go on, guys, with our tutorial, we need to get our measurement. So the first measurement that we will need to have is the measurement from the bottom of your boob up to your mid boob. So just imagine this is your boob area. So you need to get the measurement from the bottom up to the mid boob. So mine, guys, it turns out to be 3.5 inches. So that should be the length of my foundation chain. So once we have that, we will start making our foundation chain. So guys, this is the chart I prepared for you. So for our crochet cups, I prepared 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sizes. So this is extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large. So let's start with the extra small. So for the extra small, it's 32A up to 32B. And the width of your cup, this is the width from here to here. You should have a total of 5 inches. Alright, and for example, your cup is small size. This is from 32B, 32C, 32D, 34A to 34B. The width from here to here should be 6 inches. Alright, and then if your measurement is a medium size, which is a cup C, by the way, the small size is the size B and the extra small is size A or cup A. So if your cup size is C, which is the medium size, the measurement is 34C, 34D, 36A, or 36B, 36C. The width from here to here should be 7 inches. Alright, so for the D cup size, the large size, it should be from 36D up to 38C size. The width from here to here should be 8 inches. Alright, and the biggest size that we have, which is the extra large, from 38D up to 40D, the width from here to here is 8.5 inches. So let me just give you an example of the cup I have right here. So this cup, guys, it's for large size. The width that I'm talking about is the width from here up to here. Alright, so this is your cup, for example, and you should for you to be able to know where to stop, you should have a tape measure, and just take the measurement of your cup if you're doing rows. So I have a total of 8 inches right here. So the large size, the D cup, is 8 inches. So I have enough rows, so I will stop from here because this is my cup size. So that's how you will be able to get your cup. Alright, so right now I will show you how to make this cup, and we'll also show you how we will be getting each of this cup size. And to start our project, we need to make our slip knot, insert our hook, and make a foundation chain long enough as the measurement that you have, again, from the bottom of your boob up to your mid boob. So again, guys, mine is 3.5 inches, so that's a total of 12 chain for me. So I will go ahead and do that. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. Once I have the 12 chain, I will go ahead and add 2 more chain. This is to block off the last chain that we have, which is the 12 chain. Alright, so what we need to do after that is we will go back to that chain that we block off which is the third chain from the hook. So yarn over, count 1, 2, 3. On the third, it doesn't want to focus. On the third chain from the hook, go ahead and insert your hook and make 1 half double crochet. Insert that. There you go. So you should have something like this. Alright, and then what we're gonna do is that we will be just putting half double crochet across. Alright, so I'll finish my row. I'll meet you guys right back to show you what to do next. And once guys we're done with our row, this is how it should look like. Next thing you're gonna do is to make a chain of 2 and then flip your work, yarn over on the next space, this space right here, go ahead and insert your hook and make a half double crochet. So we have 1, and then just go ahead and make half double crochet until this part, this space right here, because on the peak of our row, which is this part, we will be making our increase. All right, so once you're done, just go ahead and stop from there and I will show you what to do next in here. And guys, I reached the part wherein I would actually stop doing the half double crochet because we will do the increase right here. So yarn over on this gap right here. You have a gap or a big space right here because this is the one we used a while ago to block off the last chain, right? Remember? So you will go ahead and yarn over, insert your hook on this big gap, go ahead and make 1 half double crochet. I have 1, then yarn over, make another 1 half double crochet, and then chain 1, yarn over, go ahead and put 2 more half double crochet in there. So that's how you will do your increase, and then yarn over, just go ahead and put 1 half double crochet until the end of the row. All right, and once you're at the end of the row, I will show you what to do next. And guys, this is how it should look like once you're done with the row of half double crochet until the end. So the next thing you will be doing is to make a chain of 2 again to start the next row. Flip your work, go ahead and yarn over and put 1 half double crochet on the next, 1 half double crochet on the next. And what you will be doing guys on this next row is that you will be making half double crochet until you reach this part before your chain 1 space. Again, on this part we did the 2 half double crochet, chain 1, 2 half double crochet, right? So this row of half double crochet right here, you will be making it until this part, until this space before this chain 1 space. Once you reach this chain 1 space, you will be doing the increase again, same thing, 2 half double crochet, chain 1, 2 half double crochet. Going down, you will be putting half double crochet on each spaces. So I will show you how it's done, but for now I will finish my row of half double crochet until this part before the chain 1 space. So guys, I reached the part before the chain 1 space, which is again the peak of our row. Once you are there, go ahead and yarn over and do the increase up by putting 1, 2 half double crochet, chain 1, and put 2 half double crochet again on that very same space, and then yarn over and just put half double crochet across until you reach the end. And after that guys, you will just keep on repeating the same pattern wherein go ahead and put half double crochet until before the chain 1 space. Once you reach the chain 1 space, we will be doing the increase of 2 half double crochet, chain 1, 2 half double crochet. Once I reach the extra small size, I will go ahead and show you how it looks like, and we'll tell you how many rows I make as well. Basically guys, what you need to do is just to keep on repeating the pattern until you reach the width of the the cup size that you would like to have. And for me guys, I will go ahead and finish mine. We'll show you what to do next after we're done with our cup.
A few inches later.
Guys, this is the 7th row of our pattern, so we need to measure it right now. If you would see guys, I have a total of 5 inches. So if your size again is extra small, which is from 32A to 30B, then you would stop from here, alright, because you already have 5 inches. So this is again for extra small. We will keep on repeating rows once we reach the next size, which is the small size. And after row number 8 of our design or our pattern, if you would measure this one guys, it would be 6 inches. So again, just a review, once you reach 6 inches, this is for our small size, which is the sizes, let me check again, this is sizes 32B, 32C, 32D, 34A, 34B. Alright, so once you have this 6 inches, you will stop. Again, this is 8 rows, and we will move on now to our medium size, which is the cup C. From the small size guys, for us to make the medium size of our cup, we will be just adding 2 more rows. So after the 2 rows, you will be getting your size, which is 7 inches. Once you have 7 inches and your measurements or your cup size is 34C, 36C, 34D, 36A, 36B, then you will stop from here. So this is for the medium size. So let's create rows and make the large and extra large cup size. And guys, this is our 11th row. Once you have 11th row, you can go ahead and check, because mine is already 8 inches. So once you have 8 inches, this is the size for the large size, which is the cup D. Again, this covers around, or I mean from 36D up to 38C, and the width is 8 inches. So let's go ahead and move on to our extra large. And guys, this is the 12th row, and once you have 12th row, you can already measure, because this one is the 8.5 inches width. Once you have that width, this is the width for the extra large sized cup. Again, this is 38D up to 40D. Once you have this, you can stop and you're done with your extra large cup. Guys, we're finally done with our cups for all sizes tutorial for today, and I am thanking you so much for joining me, and I hope that you have learned something from it. If you think this tutorial is helpful, give it a massive thumbs up, and if you have any questions, requests or you have any suggestions, go ahead and put that on the comment box below. You can share this tutorial to your crafty friends and hit the notification bell as well so that you will be notified once a new video is up on my channel. And if you're not yet subscribed, please do by clicking the subscribe button down below. Again guys, I am thanking you so much for joining me today. You do have a good one. Goodbye.